Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam. Social media platforms that you can use to grow your business. I know it's very difficult for most of you to grow your online presence and online businesses. It's difficult, but there are some social media platforms on the market at the moment, and they can help you do that. They can help you grow an audience, reach your target audience, reach your target customers. So what are these platforms? So first of all, let's start with a well-known platform that has over 2 billion users, and that's Facebook. Most of you, I think, have heard of Facebook, and maybe you're really not sure if your clients are on Facebook, but believe me, your clients are on Facebook. The chances that someone on Facebook has a friend who is looking for the product you're offering will recommend you, or is someone on Facebook that you can target. Facebook is one of the biggest social media platforms you can use to grow your business. So, second platform I would recommend you to use or join to grow your online business or any business you may have is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is or was well known for having CVs and people checking you and all the people you went to school with, and that was very professional, and people were, it's not like Facebook where it's social and that kind of thing, but LinkedIn is more focused and more people are more concentrated when they're on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is also one of social media platforms that you can use to reach your targeted audience, to convert and become clients for your business. So the third platform I advise you to use is YouTube. Now, most of you may wonder why I'm talking about YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is also a very big platform. Why do I say YouTube is a very big platform? Because YouTube has the power of Google behind it. The search engine of Google is behind YouTube. YouTube is also another search engine, and lots of content is on YouTube. But what is also on YouTube is people are watching that content. Your clients or your prospects are on YouTube, and if you run ads on YouTube, you will be able to get to them. So don't sleep on this platform. Use it to grow your business, because it really has the power of Google. Yeah, Google is the biggest search engine and everyone wants to be on the first page of Google. But imagine YouTube as a search engine too. You can find people, you can run ads, search ads, you can it's very versatile. So let's move on before I get all lost into this stuff. The fourth platform you should consider looking at is TikTok. TikTok has many users, apparently the age of 11 to 18 or something. So more young users. If you really want to target younger users, or your product is more focused on younger users, you should consider advertising on TikTok or using TikTok to improve people finding your brand or grow your business. The other platform I would suggest, Snapchat. So Snapchat, most of you also know Snapchat. Most of you say it's difficult to use. That's because it's for also a younger audience. They know how to use it. They're always there. They're always doing good stuff with it. So think about Snapchat. And last but not least, one of the platforms that has been around for a very long time is Twitter. Twitter is one of the social media platforms that started back in the days and has been here for a long time, and people have been using it. Twitter can also be used to grow your audience. So join Twitter, join Snapchat, join TikTok, join LinkedIn, join Facebook, last but not least, Instagram. Instagram. Instagram is big at the moment. Instagram is also used with Facebook. So if you want your clients from Instagram has a diverse population. So it has people who are ranging from 13 to I think 60 You have grandparents having Instagram accounts, you have 13-year-olds having Instagram accounts, so your clients would be there. So that wouldn't be a surprise to me. If you join those platforms and not get any clients, I would be puzzled. So to wrap it up, here it is. Platforms that you should think about joining in 220 for your social media and growing your business on social media. Those would be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. So 7 platforms. So join those platforms and get to business. And those were my tips and tricks, and get to it. See you soon, and we'll see next week. Join me for more videos on how to grow your business and improve your rankings in Google. And thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.